I always want to bring up this issue of Simon Ekpa. I still don't know why we're not doing anything much about him. We can't allow him get the airspace against us. The country Finland is offering him, is giving him refuge. They shouldn't do that for whatever reason. And we have diplomatic means of going through those things. So I think Minister of Information can do so much.
That is the Army spokesperson, General Musa. Time without number, Army spokesperson has repeatedly said that they need to arrest Simon Ekpa and he need to be prosecuted. And yesterday, during the town hall meeting on Channels Television about the issue of insecurity in Nigeria, this man repeatedly, inserted in his words during the interview that the Finnish government are supporting Simon Ekpa, that what Simon Ekpa is doing, if he's in Nigeria doing it against the European Union, that the European Union will not condone it, that if they really mean well for Nigeria, they should stand for democracy and arrest Simon Ekpa. Now, I will allow you to watch the video, but before that, I really want to go back to history. You see, when the insecurity started disturbing Nigeria, European Union, they were interested to make sure they help Nigeria to solve insecurity. Now, there are so many things that transpired. Number one, when Chibok girls were adopted, the European Union connived with the American government. They sent their military to come and rescue the Chibok girls. Now, they cannot enter into Nigeria territory without informing Nigeria government. And they informed Nigerian government. You know what the security agencies did? They now spread the information to the terrorists. Now, the whole plan, they strategized. They were up using drone to monitor the scene because they wanted to just attack them, maybe throw something that will make them to sleep, throw a gas that will make them to sleep. They will come and rescue those people and arrest the terrorists. They said when they were looking at them from the up, they were wearing oxygen masks. Who told them the strategy that the European Union and the American government wanted to use to rescue Chibok girls? The information was only leaked to the government. You want the same European Union to trust you? That is not the only thing. Nnamdi Sheriff was arrested in Cameroon. The European Union, in conjunction with the Cameroon government, arrested Nnamdi Sheriff. So when he was arrested in Cameroon, you know what happened? Nigerian government placed a call to release Nnamdi Sheriff. He was arrested because he was accused with proof that he's the one that formed Boko Haram and he's sponsoring the insurgent group Boko Haram. So Nigerian government released Nnamdi Sheriff. They are writing it down for Nigerians. The European Union knows everything that is going, as if that is not enough. On September 15 in the year 2021, this one is not far, the United Arab Emirates released 6 of people who are sponsoring terrorism. When they released the list of 6 people who are sponsoring terrorism, you know what they did? They quickly sent the names to the European Union. They sent the name to the Canada embassies, their consulates, including America. So when that happened, what they do is that they make sure that these people will not be given visas wherever they are going. But you know what Nigeria do? Up to now, Nigeria did not persecute them. So you tend coming out to say that the Finnish government is supposed to arrest Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa, they are following his broadcast. They are monitoring him. They have never seen anything against the Nigerian government that Simon Ekpa have done. No. If they have seen that, Simon Ekpa will be arrested. They have not seen that. So if the comments of Simon Ekpa is all about forming a government, I want to let you know that forming a government or departing from the country you are is not a crime in the European Union. US Simon Ekpa is doing broadcast. So Nigerians, especially the government, should understand this. A referendum is not a crime in the European Union. Unlike Nigeria, if you say to them want to leave Nigeria, they will start charging you of treason. It's not like that in the European Union. So if this man is trying to gain sympathy by saying that the European Union should try their possible best to make sure they arrest him, on what basis are they going to arrest this man? Oh, you may say that he's the one that is making sure that people are killing people in the southeast. See, let me put the record straight. If someone can use a telephone call or video recording from another country to cause insecurity in your country, meaning you are not fit to be a country, try it from Nigeria. Ask Nigerians who are in Nigeria, they then start causing insecurity in European Union. They can't do that because security is tight. You can't bring weapons into European Union territory. because the security is tight. Airport security, border security, land security, everything is tight. So the question the Finland government or European Union will be asking, and they will be laughing at you, Defense General, that how can you say that someone is using phone and video recording to cause insecurity in your country? So you don't know your job. Absolutely. Because if you think you know your job, someone shouldn't use telephone call. Okay, as for example, as I am now, can I pick up a phone and said, hello, my people in America, you people should make sure you go there, you disrupt things. Before you drop the call, the person you call will be arrested. That is security, that is intelligence. So the Chief of Defense Staff just admonished to the world that Nigeria don't have security. See, you people should step up your game. This is 2024. You people are playing the games of 1960, all those things that led to the Civil War. No. The life has changed. Everything in life has changed. And Nigerians are reacting to all these things. However, watch this full clip of this particular statement he made about Simon Ekpa. Later, let's see what Nigerians are reacting about the issue of Simon Ekpa.
Now, we have areas of funding both locally and internationally. For the local aspects, they have a means of, they have their followers that they've empowered that contribute money to what they are doing. They go through banditry, some of them get benefit from taxes. All these things they do from within, the kidnappings is all part of it where they raise funds. And then externally, we have external people that equally support them. The issue of ipob. There's a lot of funding that comes in there.
Yes. Are you worried? Because you know an operation,
of course, definitely.
A special operation on the sit-at-home ipob situation in the southeast.
Yes.
But some of the elements and the leaders of these groups are outside of the country.
Yes. We have repeatedly complained about the issue of Simon Ekpa. He is in Finland. The Finnish government are giving him all the support and he's doing what he's doing. Comments he's making. People are being killed and nothing is being done. And this is democracy. If the European Union is the one supporting democracy and this is happening and they're not taking action, then they don't mean well for Nigeria. We have said that in clear terms. We need to diplomatically find means of getting him out of whatever it is that he's doing. He must be arrested, he must be prosecuted. Look at it from the other way. Assuming he is in Nigeria and he's doing that to the Finnish government, you think the European Union will allow that happen? They definitely will not. So why are they allowing him to do what he's doing? And people like him that are doing such things. Trailing the funds is very critical. I know a lot of the Central Bank, the NFIU, are doing a lot in tracking down how the funds flow. And this is part of what we call the oxygen of terrorism. It's logistic, leadership, and funding. Your ability to be able to tackle those things and trail them and deny them the ability to operate will kill terrorism with good governance. Now, you can see the statistics that came in, political will. And political will is not from federal government alone. The states are critical. For me, if I look at the aspects, what do we need? Let's look at solutions. Do we have a comprehensive database as Nigerians? If you go to Chad, Cameroon, and Niger, once you enter, they know you are not a Nigerian. And they have this duty as citizens. Once you speak, the man knows you are not a Nigerian. The next thing he tells you, if he's a taxi driver, he tells you his vehicle has a problem. He's calling the gendarmes. Before you know it, the gendarmes are coming to ask you, what are you doing in our country? We don't have that. That's what we're saying is a holistic thing that we have to do. Every Nigerian has a role to play in what's going on ground. And then we must look at these things and take it up as a challenge. It's not a military or a security aspect. Everybody has a role to play in this. And
it is quite surprising that now Nigerian politicians are now seeing nnamdi Kanu as a saint, as against their previous perception about him that led to his extraordinary rendition. They are now seeing Simon Ekpa as the devil. That Simon Ekpa is a saint. What can you say about that?
Now they are seeing Simon Ekpa as a big threat to the whole Nigeria and the Messiah of Biafra. They will not say that the nnamdi Kanu is not the Messiah of Biafra, because when the Biafra agitation, you must start, everybody have their own part to play. nnamdi Kanu is already playing his own part to make all the old Biafrans to come together before Nigeria kidnap nnamdi Kanu and keep on custody. They think that immediately they own nnamdi Kanu, the issue of Biafra is gone. Now, Before they own Nnamdi Kanu said that there are people that send her message. And that the people that send Nnamdi Kanu message now already come back and send the Simon Ekpa message again. Because Nnamdi Kanu said that the person who come out after him is more dangerous and deadly than him. Nnamdi Kanu do agitation with peacefully, no arms. Nigeria country, Nigeria state, Arab world, British, and say that Nnamdi Kanu is a threat to them. Let them silence Nnamdi Kanu. Now they already see another dimension of agitation of Biafra. See Simon Ekpa, he's a very brilliant man and very young guy. He cannot use the blood of a young guy and compare a matured person. I'm not saying Nnamdi Kanu is old. Now, example, Nnamdi Kanu is 85, 50 something years. Simon Ekpa is 30 something years. Their body movement cannot be the same thing. Way this one think fast, and the way this one will think cannot be the same thing. This one can calm down. This one cannot calm down because the blood is hot. Now, Nigerians see Nnamdi Kanu as a threat before. Now they didn't see Nnamdi Kanu as a threat. Now they see Simon Ekpa as a bigger threat to them. Somebody will tell you that if you carry arms, he himself will carry arms. Bomber to bomber.
You believe in the gospel of Woto?
Simon Ekpa believe, listen, Woto just minor languages. Woto just minor languages. Is give me, I give you 20 times. Bomber. See what the Nigerian military they are crying. They are losing their men. They are losing their men every day. You see that now what they are seeing now is the reality that Simon Ekpa is new Messiah of Biafran. And the person will use everything. Listen, Nnamdi Kanu will use Biro and peacefully and get Biafra. And the Nigeria government, they understand that language. What Nigeria government understand very well is what? The language Simon Ekpa says is Woto. Shoot me 20, I'll shoot you 1 million. Kill me 10, I'll kill you 20 million. That's what the Nigeria government understand very well. You will see that you go to media, whatever they are saying in Nigeria now, before they say 5-4, they must call Simon Ekpa. Boko Haram kill 20, before they say Boko Haram kill 20, they will say ESN or Simon Ekpa boys kill 1 million. You see that this is the language they always understand. And that's why British they are trying the way they take recognize the consign with the Biafrans. But the time is too late. The problem we are passing now is the pretend. When you tell some people that is pretend, we say how? Pretend will leave their country and come here to the suburb. What is the resources you are making in this country is from where? Who is hijack your resources? Who is giving you government, president, and governors? It's from that same state, country. Now, I believe, and I have 100% sure that Simon Ekpa and Nnamdi Kanu must give us the Biafra before ending of this year. Must. Nnamdi Kanu and Simon Ekpa will give us Biafra. We will listen for Simon Ekpa. Before Simon Ekpa doing anything, we will say our leader, Nnamdi Kanu. That is the person that starts the real agitation of Biafra. You see it? That's why whether they say Nnamdi Kanu is not a threat for Nigeria again, Nnamdi Kanu is 1 million threat for Nigeria. If they say that Nnamdi Kanu is not a threat for Nigeria, let them release Nnamdi Kanu there immediately. Let Nnamdi Kanu and Simon Ekpa see one-on-one again before Biafra will come. You see that this country will catch fire within 24 hours. Because this one will bring your own idea, this one will bring your idea. The main people that send a message will bring the two ideas together and jump together. So yeah, go on. Simon Ekpa currently now is big threat to Nigeria, and the Nigeria cannot hold the kind. They already tried several times by all means with media to hold Simon Ekpa ransom. They cannot hold Simon Ekpa. Our people say that when they ask Tortoise question, they ask Tortoise how many times something will do something fake. They say Tortoise one is a mistake. The capture they capture Nnamdi Kanu is a mistake. Simon Ekpa cannot make that the same mistake again. To do what? We capture Biafra as our hand. You see, Nigeria, this threat they are seeing is just a little. It's the beginning. When if you open Bible, the first quotation you go see in the Bible is Genesis. From Genesis, you enter Malachi. When Nigeria will enter Malachi, they know that yeah, the journey is not easy. Talking to enter Revelation that we already achieved what we are trying. And we know that before ending of this year, what Simon Ekpa said that December 2nd will declare Biafra nation. I believe that's day. What I'm seeing and what the Nigerian government are seeing, you know that this guy mean business. This is not politics. Listen, politics and business is not the same thing. Buying and selling. I want to make money from my business. The Biafra issue now is a business. And Simon Ekpa want to make issue of Biafra. He want to break record in Africa. He want to break record in the world that he himself are among the people that make Biafra to exist. We already found Biafra how many years ago? But you see how many years now? From Nnamdi Kanu to Simon Ekpa now, you see that the way the Biafra issue is coming with speed. You see that this young guy who give us the Biafra is the real messiah of Biafra.
Honestly, millions of Biafrans, hundreds of millions, if I may use the word, because Biafrans outweighs 100 million all over the world. They are waiting for this pronouncement of the Restoration Declaration of Biafra. To them, that will be the greatest day in the history of humanity, where freedom overcomes the devil.
Yeah, we are waiting for that day. What Nnamdi Kanu said that there is another miracle God will do in this world.
The last miracle on the surface of the earth.
That was the man said. And we are waiting for that day. And that day must come. Whatever you are doing, you have particular day. That day must come. Whether 10 years or 20 years or 100 years or 50 years or 1 million years. But our own is not 10 years, it's not 5 years. It's few months and few weeks. That's what we are looking for now. We are not looking for a year again. It's months and weeks. Weeks and months. Finish.
Wow, that is quite interesting, honestly. Honestly, the issue of Biafra is dominating the entire global space.